Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola G73 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible for me. Once you have your content prepared, simply press and hold power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have this pop-up right here with edit, share, Google Lens and delete options, and after a moment it disappears from the screen. Once it disappears, you can find that screenshot in your Photos application. So normally you would be located in here, in the Photos category, but you can navigate into Library and then Screenshots, right over here. And here you'll find exclusively screenshots that I have captured over the time. And this is the one that I have literally just captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.